What's up, scrappers? CC Scraps channel. Welcome, tool addicts, tool collectors. We were going to do a scrapyard run today, but we kind of got a late start. This is old snow auger from beat up tractor, I guess. It's all busted up. Treadmill from down the street. Old pool stanchions. Let's see what else is in there. And an old light so far. A little bit of number 3 wire down there. That's about it. Hi, baby.
Hi.
We are trying to capture kittens. There's one of them. That's the one she wants, actually.
Rescue.
They're rescues. They're all little kittens, stray kittens running around the neighborhood.
Yeah, trying to get them before they...
And then that's the one we're trying to get right there.
Their demise.
That's the one. And there's the little black one there. The mama cat, I don't know where she is. Somewhere.
She's over there.
The mama cat looks like that little black kitten. There's 2 black ones, that tabby, and then and there's one more too, right? Oh, just 3?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's the mama right there. See her? Can y'all see her?
Oh, Nella's in the window.
There's the mama.
Oh, she was. Hey, Nella.
See our doggy. Where's our dog? I can't see. Do we see a dog? There's a screen I never fixed. Pretend that's fixed. I can't see her. But anyway. Oh, there she is. There's her little pit bull face. Say hello, everyone.
Can I have one of these kittens or not? Can I?
We'll get one. So, grand plan of the day is... Yeah, John, Scout Crafter. We've got so much wildlife. And, all right, y'all. So check this out. We're going to do our shelves here. I'm going to measure halfway, level the posts, screw in, level that, build a little bracket, and we're going to be good to go. Let's get this started. Then, it'll be a shelf in the middle. Then I'm going to do like another little support in the middle there to give that a little bit of, there. All right, y'all. So... as luck would have it, I have a piece of metal that actually fit that perfect right there. So I wanted it a little bit lower, so I had a little more room up top. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the old chop saw. We're going to cut this piece here, and then we're going to fashion a quick little angle grinder holder here under this. And you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute here. So yeah, we'll figure it out. And if I don't like it, I'll move it. We'll figure it out, though. It's okay. All right, y'all. So we're going to make this cut with this big old chop saw here. It's the one I got from my job. I did a kind of like showed you I got it, but y'all never seen it run. So here we go. Down. Definitely. Alright, so y'all see where you guys see where I'm going with that. I'm probably going to do one along here too, maybe, or maybe one along the back side. I don't know. But anyway, it's only going to hold 3 and I have 9, so I need room for 6 more. I could go like along the whole way here, or like I said, but then that might be sticking out a little too much when I try to work over here. So we'll figure it out. But yeah. So the next thing I got to do, I got to cut here for that. All right, so we're going to make this cut. So I'm going to make this cut real quick. It might be a little blurry because I got you zoomed in. I just got to buzz out this part here with the old angle grinder. And it's over here. All right. That was crazy, right? All right, y'all. So this is where we're at here. So I got the shelf on. It's very strong. Got a piece of metal that I had found scrapping. It's kind of like that one. As the shelf. My little grinder rack. Found a spot there for a couple more, but they're going to get moved around probably. I don't know. I got some other ideas. I might, now that I think about it. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so both bench grinders are there. This one I'm not using at the moment, so I can keep my welding coat there and it won't get caught in there because I'm not going to use it because the cord's smoked, and this is going to be I don't know if it'll be a full restore, but I'm definitely going to put a new cord on it. We're definitely going to clean it up. I may use my sandblaster on the shield or on the covers of it. We'll see. I don't know. I got my good Bauer grinder there. That's going to sit there. I moved the drill press. The Arbor Press, I'm probably going to move down to that shelf because I really don't use it at all. It's just kind of sitting there. When I need an Arbor Press, I guess I'll use it. It's just good to have. It came with a lot of tools I bought. I'm going to move that little bench vise over to that bench. Slide this drill press down. I did restore this a couple summers ago, maybe last summer, the summer before. I can't remember. Check my videos, Old School Retool, Home Utilities, Black & Decker. Middle of the chop saw there. Over here, you know, my vise. This is still my main workbench. This is going to be the next episode of Old School Retool. This little table for whatever, I'll probably put that somewhere and put something on it because it's a table, and that's what we're going to do. This hammer can go... Where the hell does this hammer go? Okay. Oh, I know. You go here. This little dude. This goes here. Yeah, buddy. One of these toolboxes, like I said, has hammers in it. Heads or whatever. And yes, I've had comments. People see these baggies in the background. Like, hey, CC Scraps, what are you doing with those baggies? Well, it's not what you think, people. It is for little tiny, tiny nuts and bolts that I put in baggies. And yes, they are used for you-know-what, but that's not what I'm using them for. So everybody that thinks that, don't think it. Little nuts and bolt baggies. Let's see what else we got going on in the workshop. That's about it. So, maybe I might bring this chop saw downstairs in the basement because I really don't use it. I have a smaller one that is in that cabinet. That'll open up a little bit more shelf space to put all these toolboxes that I've acquired lately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's holding big sockets. This is a toolbox. So 8 or 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 toolboxes. And if you want to count the one in my truck, I guess that's just a bag. Oh my God, I almost forgot. Oh yeah, like I said, I almost forgot. One of my coworkers, Burrell, he gave me this Craftsman toolbox. That makes, I can't remember the count, probably, I don't know, I can't remember. But anyway, we didn't get a really chance to open it up because I was at work. But it's got the crown. This toolbox is pretty old. It came with some nuts and bolts, which is always good. Look at them all in here. Lag bolts. I don't know what that is. Looks like a nail, maybe. More bolts, wire nuts. But this will work. You know it will. I'll find some tools to put in here. Then, pretty cool, right? All right, that works there. Let's put this on the floor with the other ones. And there's another one. It's probably all going to go on them shelves. All them buckets got scrap in them. They're going to get out of here too. And then, I didn't even open this. I don't even know what's in here. But it says rigid, which is cool. This may be... Holy sh... Okay. Wow. All right. Smell a little electrical, but I don't know. It's not working. It could be the battery's dead. We're going definitely. This thing is heavy duty, man. Wow. By the way, Anchor Brewing Company. Where is it? I can have my glasses on. San Fran, California. Wonder if they're the same people that make Anchor Steam. That's a good beer. I got a funny feeling they are. Okay, let's plug this in. Sit tight. You guys hear that? It's like there's a fan in this thing. This is supposed to be rapid 30-minute chargers. We're going to leave it on the charge for about 30 minutes. Then when we come back, we'll see if it works. That would be super stoked, man. This thing is a rigid R80 82015. And it has a... What the frick's my Porter cable? Oh, that's another thing. Okay, so that's charging. This is what I mean about these little baggies. And they got basketballs on them. I'm not a big fan of basketball. It's not that I dislike it. I just don't know a lot about it. And, you know, I'm the kind of guy, like, not for nothing, scrappers, tool addicts out there, tool collectors. If it doesn't involve a board, wheels, and a combustion engine, i.e. gas or diesel, I'm really not interested in it. It's just one of those things I'm into, you know. NASCAR, truck racing, dirt bikes. You know, I used to watch a show back in the day called Blue Torch. That had Brian Deegan, Mike Metzger, and the Metal Militia. Then they do like skateboarding. You know, you'd have Tony Hawk. You'd have, oh damn, I can't even think of these skaters anymore. I can see them all in my head now. I came up, you know, watching, you know, skaters like Jay. God, I can't even think of his name anymore. Jeez, it's been so long. Then there was BMX, you know, Dave Mira, which is literally right in Chittenango. He's from Chittenango, and that's literally 20, 30 miles down the road from where I live. Ryan Nyquist, Koji Kraft, the Condor, Matt Hoffman. Like, those are the sports I grew up. You know, and then there was surfing, you know, was it Laird Hamilton? God, I can't think of any more now. I'm drawing a blank of all these extreme sports people. And I probably get, you know, crapped on all over for my friends if they're hearing me saying, damn, Chris, you forgot all about it. You forgot where you came from. No, I didn't forget where I came from. I just forgot. So, yeah. So, let's get this video up. And, actually, no, we're not going to get this video up. We're going to let these batteries charge here. I mean, it says power. And then evaluate. So that means they're blinking. And then it'll go, I guess, to a solid red light to charge, and then green when it's done. But I don't think these batteries have been charged up in a long time, so we're going to just let them go and see what happens. I really hope this thing works. If it doesn't, I'm sending it into Colony Hardware to get fixed. Because I don't want to tear this apart, because I really still don't... I'm really not good with the electronic stuff yet. Like, I can change cords out here and there, but when it comes to breaking down the motors in here, and I'll have it all together, have pieces missing, and I'll be liable to electrocute myself or something. Then Mrs. CC Scraps will come out to the shop wondering where I am, and I'll be laying on the ground. So, yeah. A few minutes, guys. We'll see what's going on. All right, so it's been about a half hour. I looked at these off camera to see if they were going to work. So I think our problem is that in here, see that little corrosion on those contactors right there? I think that's our problem. Because there's two batteries, and two batteries don't fail at once. And they're getting warm, so they're pulling some kind of charge, but see, you guys can see a little bit there where they're a little dirty. So I'm going to get in there with the sandpaper. And then as you can see in here on the drill itself, see that one contactor right there? That's all corroded too. So we're going to get in there and clean that up and get this video up, and we'll see if this thing works on another day here. But it's definitely, I think it works. I just think they need to be cleaned. And there's a dang bee.